In this video, I will show you how to connect Google Ads to Shopify. So first you will need to have a Google Ads as well as a Shopify account. If you don't have a Shopify account yet, you can create one through the link in the description and claim a 3-day free trial and then 3 months for $1, euro or pound per month. So after you have both of those, first open up Shopify and click on Add Apps right there and just go and open up the Shopify App Store. Now from within the Shopify App Store, you will need to install this app, Google and YouTube. That may not show up right here. So just go to search for Google and then you will be able to find it. So Google and YouTube, and then click on install. So now you have installed Google and YouTube on your Shopify account. Now here you want to then go and click connect Google account. Now here you will have a list of your Google accounts. Now you need to just select the same one that you already have a Google account with. So for me, it's the Down These Tutorials one. So then here, I'm just going to select the same one and then just go ahead and continue. Now you need to allow it access to the following things right here. So just click allow. And then from here, there are a few more tasks. So you need to connect your Google Merchant Center account, and this will sync your product data. You can turn product sync off in your recommended store setup if you want, but you just have to click create new right there. And then it will create it and just wait for it to finish up. And then it will be checking your site claim. And then after that's done, you can then check your online store requirements. So you need to actually create an online store. You need to add a refund policy and terms of service. And you need to confirm that you've added contact information to your online store. So just go and do those things. And then from there, you can confirm your recommended store setup, then agree to the terms and conditions. And once you then click complete setup, you will then have connected your Google Ads account to Shopify. And you can also manage it from within the Google and YouTube app right here. So that's how you can connect Google Ads to Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.